This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to create a stem and leaf plot in Microsoft Excel. Unfortunately, it's not an automated process using formulas and functions, but the grid layout does facilitate being able to get a visual display. You need the data. Here's all the data, and the data should be sorted. Then you'll have an area where you have the title of that it's a stem and leaf plot, whatever. And this one's over the number of text messages sent. And here's the key. 15 bar 5 means 155. So 15, this 5 here is 155, this 159, that's 78. This would be 80 if it was 80, but it means there's nothing in the 8s or the 9s, the 80s or the 90s, and then 105. So what you do is you can get this vertical bar here just by taking the cell and indicating what kind of a border you want, a right border on it, and that gives you this vertical bar down to the edge here to separate the stems from the leaves. And then you go down your data and one at a time put them in here. For example, if we look right here at this row, that's 112. There's 3 of them. There they are. And then a 113, 114, 116, 17, 3 118s, 3 119. So you get the idea. It does allow you to conveniently create it. And then if you wanted this as an image, you could use a one of the like the Windows tool that allows you to capture part of a screen as an image file. You could make it a little larger through an image editor, or you could just bring it up and look at it like this. So it's better than trying to do it on a piece of paper. At least this way you can scroll around, look at the data, and correct things if you make a mistake. And you can, since it's electronic, like I said, you can get an image and put it in some document.